Ever wondered why trains run smoothly, safely, and timely? The secret lies in the meticulous maintenance of railway tracks. Railway tracks are the lifelines of our vast rail network. They serve as the foundation for millions of journeys made each day, from short commutes to cross-country adventures. But have you ever stopped to consider what goes into maintaining these steel pathways? The importance of railway track maintenance cannot be overstated. It's much more than a simple matter of keeping the tracks clear of debris. This task is a delicate balance of science, engineering, and diligent attention to detail. It's about ensuring that every journey, every cargo, every single life aboard is safeguarded. At the heart of maintenance is safety. Faulty tracks can lead to derailments, collisions, and other accidents. By regularly inspecting and maintaining the tracks, we can prevent such mishaps, thereby ensuring the well-being of passengers and train staff alike. But it's not just about safety. Maintenance also plays a key role in enhancing the performance of our trains. Smooth tracks lead to smoother rides, reducing wear and tear on the trains themselves. This, in turn, extends the lifespan of our locomotives, making them more efficient and cost-effective. And let's not forget the timeliness factor. Train schedules are often tightly packed, with little room for delays. Well-maintained tracks prevent unexpected breakdowns or slowdowns, helping trains run on time, every time. This assurance of punctuality is crucial for commuters who rely on trains for their daily transportation. Lastly, maintenance is about sustainability. By extending the life of our tracks and trains, we're reducing the need for new materials and energy-intensive manufacturing processes. This is a significant contribution to our environmental sustainability efforts. So you see, railway track maintenance is not just a mundane task. It's a vital cog in the machinery of our railway systems, underpinning the safety, performance, and reliability of our trains. Upkeeping the railway track is a colossal task, so what does it involve? Let's dive into the process. To comprehend the maintenance process, we first need to understand the structure of a railway track. The railway track, also known as the permanent way, is more than just a set of iron rails. It's an intricate system, composed primarily of three key parts: the rails, the sleepers, and the ballast. The rails are the steel bars that the trains run on. These are usually made of high-quality steel, as they need to withstand heavy loads and high speeds. They guide the train, ensuring it stays on track, quite literally. Rails are the most visible part of the track and perhaps what we most associate with the image of a railway. Next up, we have the sleepers. Sleepers, also known as ties in some parts of the world, are the rectangular blocks that lay perpendicular to and directly beneath the rails. Made from materials such as wood, concrete, or steel, sleepers are the backbone of the track structure. They support the rails, maintain the correct gauge or distance between them, and help distribute the weight of the train to the underlying ballast. The ballast is the third element of our trio. This is the layer of crushed stones or gravel that lies beneath the sleepers. The ballast plays a crucial role in the stability of the track. It helps distribute the load from the sleepers, provides drainage, and also keeps vegetation at bay, which could otherwise interfere with the track structure. Each of these components, the rails, the sleepers, and the ballast, has a specific role to play in the overall functionality of the track. They work together in harmony to ensure the smooth and safe passage of trains. Understanding these elements and their roles is essential because the maintenance and upgradation of railway tracks involve these very components. The better we grasp their significance, the better we can appreciate the importance of their proper upkeep and the complexity of the maintenance process. Now that we have a basic understanding of the railway track, let's proceed to the first step of maintenance. The first step in the maintenance process is track inspection. It's like a doctor's checkup for the railway, ensuring everything is in top shape. Now, you might wonder, how is this done? Well, there are several ways to go about it. Firstly, there's the good old-fashioned visual inspection. Workers walk along the tracks, keeping an eye out for any visible issues, such as cracks or wear and tear. It's a tried-and-true method, but it isn't the only one. In today's high-tech world, we also have some cutting-edge tools to aid in track inspection. For instance, ultrasonic technology can be used to detect internal flaws that aren't visible to the naked eye. There's also the use of drones for aerial surveys, providing a bird's-eye view of the track layout and potential obstacles. After inspection, the next step is track upgradation. But that's a story for another scene. Track upgradation is a vital part of railway maintenance that ensures the track is always in its best condition. This is the moment where the rubber meets the road, or more accurately, where steel meets steel. Track upgradation is a meticulous process that involves several crucial steps. The first step is rail grinding. This is a process where the surface of the rail is smoothed and polished to reduce the impact of wheel-rail contact. Rail grinding extends the life of the rail, reduces noise, and improves the overall performance of the railway. Next, we have rail replacement. Rails, like everything else, have a lifespan. Over time, they wear down and need to be replaced. Rail replacement is a significant undertaking, but it's essential for the safety and efficiency of the railway. The third step in track upgradation is sleeper replacement. Sleepers, or railroad ties, are the rectangular support for the rails. They keep the rails upright and properly spaced. Just like rails, sleepers also have a lifespan and need to be replaced periodically to keep the track stable and safe. The final step in the track upgradation process is ballast cleaning. The ballast is the bed of stones or gravel that the track rests on. It serves several purposes, including drainage and distributing the load of the train. Over time, the ballast can become contaminated with dirt, dust, and other debris. This contamination can affect the track's stability, so it's important to clean the ballast regularly. Track upgradation is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning and execution. But it's a necessary part of railway maintenance that ensures the safety and efficiency of the railway. It's like a well-oiled machine. Every part needs to work perfectly together to ensure smooth and safe travel. And remember, track upgradation is not a one-and-done process. It's an ongoing endeavor that requires regular attention and care. Because in the world of railways, there's no room for complacency. With the track upgraded, the final step is regular maintenance. Scene script. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep the railway track in optimum condition. Let's start by talking about track alignment. You see, it's not just about laying the tracks down and leaving them there forever. Over time, various factors like weather changes and the constant pressure from trains can cause the track to lose its alignment. This is where maintenance crews come in with their specialized equipment. They ensure that the tracks are properly aligned, providing a smooth and safe ride for all trains that pass over them. Next up is lubrication. Much like any machine, railway tracks also need to be lubricated regularly. This is done to reduce friction between the wheels of the train and the rails. It's an important step, because if left unchecked, the resulting heat from the friction could potentially damage both the train and the track. So, maintenance crews apply a special kind of grease to the tracks, especially on curves where the friction is higher. Lastly, there are periodic checks. These are comprehensive inspections carried out at frequent intervals. The aim is to spot and fix any potential issues before they become major problems. These checks include everything from looking for cracks in the rails, to checking the tightness of bolts and fasteners, to ensuring the proper functioning of signals and switches. It's a meticulous process, but it's necessary to ensure the safety and efficiency of the railway system. It's important to remember that all these tasks are carried out by highly trained professionals, who work tirelessly day and night. They brave all sorts of weather conditions and often work in difficult and dangerous environments. Their dedication and hard work ensure that our trains always have a safe and smooth track to run on. So, from aligning tracks to greasing rails and carrying out thorough inspections, regular maintenance is a continuous and ongoing process. It's the unsung hero of the railway system, quietly ensuring that everything runs smoothly, safely, and efficiently. So, that's how railway tracks are maintained. But how does all of this benefit us? Properly maintained railway tracks are instrumental in ensuring a smooth and safe journey. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed today. We've delved into the importance of railway track maintenance, seeing firsthand the meticulous attention and care necessary to ensure the smooth operation of our trains. We've explored the structure of the railway track, understanding how each component plays a pivotal role in the function of the whole system. We've learned about the process of track inspection, a crucial step in identifying potential issues before they become major problems. We've also discussed the process of track upgradation, a testament to our relentless pursuit of better, safer, and more efficient travel. Regular maintenance, as we've seen, is not just about fixing problems but about preventing them, leading to improved safety, better performance, and a longer lifespan for both tracks and trains. So the next time you travel by train, remember the immense effort that goes into keeping those tracks in perfect shape for your journey.